Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In today's tutorial, we want to look at a forum post request where somebody was requesting to add the stabilizer program to the effect to an event on the timeline, select a particular mode, and then open up the screen so that you could adjust it further. So let's see how we would do that. But first, like and subscribe, and let's see how we do this. So we start with all of our main stuff that we always have at the top, our namespace, our class, our public variable, and then our main routine, where we set our myVegas equals Vegas. Now what we want to do is go for each track, my track and myvegas.project.tracks. If the track is a video track, then I want to go through each event, only I'm specifying that it is a video event, in myTrack.events. If the event is selected, then we want to add the stabilizer effect to that event. So our plugin ID is this right here, which is what the stabilizer is called. Then we want to look at our plugin mode. Our fx equals myvegas.videoFX. Then plugin node plugin equals fx.getChild by unique ID, and it looks for the magic stabilizer program. And then we get the effect, which is a new effect from this plugin. So that's the stabilizer effect. Then on the video event effects, we add that new effect. So now the stabilizer effect is on that event. Then we need to get the OFX effect. We get that by looking at OFX effect.OFX effect. Once we have that, now we need to look for the particular parameter that we want to change. I'd use the code that we used in the previous tutorial that goes through and lists all the parameters that are available and their names so that we knew what name to look for. And in this particular case, this is a choice parameter, and I just called it X. And so we are converting it to a choice parameter, and the name is views. That's the name that we actually want to look for. Because this is a choice parameter, we change the x.value to x.choices, and then the choice that we want, which is the second choice. Remember, choices are zero based, and we want the third choice, and so we use the number 2. Then we have to call x.parameter change so that it knows that we changed that parameter. Now that we have the parameter changed, let's go and open up the VideoFX user interface. And then, of course, down here we have all of our rest of the stuff, including the entry point and the command that calls the main routine up above. So let's see how this works. Here I have a video clip on the timeline. The video event is selected, and so let's run the script. Here you can see the stabilizer effect has been added. The user view is what we wanted to change. And you can see we had 3 choices. This was 0, 1, and 2, and it had picked the expert choice, which is what we wanted. And then it opened this dialog itself. This dialog was opened so that we could go in and adjust any other parameters as needed. I hope you find this tutorial useful. It shows how you can add that particular effect, how to change the choice parameter on an OFX effect, and how to open up the dialog so that we can see the parameters and make any further adjustments as needed. Let me know what you'd like to see in future tutorials, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Please sign up at www.JETDV.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.